everybody. For your asynchronous work this Wednesday or Thursday, you're going to engage in some creative writing. So we've done a lot with poetry and kind of pulling out what poets do. And now I would like to see you go into some more creative writing. I know we did some creative writing with Miss Hicks the other day, but this will be a little bit more structured. So here's what you're going to do. You have your choice between two assignments. The assignment is in Google Classroom called Free Writing. So go ahead and locate that document. I should say you have your choice between two structures. You may remember when you were assigned, or we watched in class, My Honest Poem by Rudy Francisco. So you can find the link here. You may choose to write your own honest poem using a similar structure. And so that's provided here. This is Rudy Francisco's text. And then at the bottom, you will see an outline for you to create your own honest poem. So you'll just plug in your own information. So for me, for example, I might put, I was born on July 25th. I guess that makes me a Leo. One thing I don't know how to do is cook pasta in the right way. I'm a sucker for whatever. You would fill in your own information, things that apply to you. You can certainly omit certain lines, and you can also add lines if you would like to. But this will provide you with a rough structure for your own My Honest Poem. That's one choice. Your other choice would be to write something called a Where I'm From poem. And I know some kids did this last year, so if you did this last year, please don't do this one again. But there's a poem by a poet called George Ella Lyon, and he writes about where he's from and just kind of his childhood. So, and just kind of those things that remind him of the person that he is. So you'll click here, and this will take you to the actual poem. Okay, so you'll read it. I'm from clothespins, from Clorox and carbon tetrachloride. I'm from the dirt under the back porch. Black, glistening, it tasted like beets. And then he just kind of goes on to describe, you know, his childhood, where he's from, what type of a person he is now based on where he's from. So if you're going to do this one, the first thing you might do is brainstorm just on a piece of paper or something somewhere. Things like your parents' names or the names of significant relatives, special food or meals that your family is, you know, that are special to your family, specific games or activities your family engages in. So I would go about this one, if you chose a Where I'm From poem, by kind of just creating a graphic on paper of these things, just kind of webbing all of the things that you can think about that make you uniquely you. And then put it into this format. Either way, whichever poem you choose, you're going to put it in the box below the poem on this document. The next thing you're going to do is actually, after you do that, turn it in. But you're not quite finished until you grab the poem that you wrote, copy it, and then I want you to put these on your blog, and here's why. I'm going to share the blogs with your teachers next year, but also we're going to share these with each other. And so we'll have some time, I promise, coming up within the next couple weeks where we, you know, just maybe spend a few minutes going into each other's blogs and looking at each other's writing and poems as we get ready to be back in the classroom space together, kind of getting to know each other. So what you would do here is access your blog on Google Sites, go to your menu, your apps menu, and then find Sites, and then go to your blog. Then I would say you could go over here to Layouts. Remember, this is Command Center. Click whichever one you like best. I'll just use this one. I might put here Where I'm From, my Where I'm From poem. And then down here, I'm simply going to paste my poem. Okay. Here I might put a picture of me or just a generic photo from the internet of something that symbolizes me or my family. And then I will have a poem to share in class. The other thing I want you to know is that we're going to share these out loud a little bit on Friday. So please make sure that you come to class during your shortened day scheduled time. So whatever that would typically be for you on a Wednesday, you're going to come to class at that time on Friday, because we switched Wednesday with Friday. So, okay, please email me tomorrow or Thursday if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you. Thanks. See you soon.